Y'all, so I got some packages I want to open up on camera. I've been saving them. I know exactly what they are. I just wanted to open them up because it's pretty much new inventory. If you've been following me and subscribed to my channel, you already know that I do events and DIYs. And, I clean up. So, clean up. That sounds so funny. Anyway, I know what these items are, but I want to open them up on camera because I almost feel like some of this stuff is going to be asked about, or maybe you guys might have questions on some of my events and some of my DIYs and all of that good stuff. So I think this will be a good time to. I always do this. I get on camera and forget that I need knives and scissors and all of that. Hold on, y'all. So I'm gonna open up this one first, since this is gonna be the smallest one. Let's see. I don't want to cut too deep in it. Ooh, this looks nice already. I cleared my coffee table because I'm about to put another centerpiece on here. It's kid friendly, and then I'm gonna mount my TV in the vase that I had right here. It's gonna go on that console table. All right, so this is my, I guess you could say, dessert stand. Let me take everything out first. Pretty heavy duty too. I read the reviews and I got kind of scared about it because they were saying that, it won't durable, or this is gonna be my work table. But they said it won't durable. Some of the stuff was lopsided, so let's see. Let's put it together. I'm gonna probably just time lapse this part real quick because ain't no instructions for how to time lapse it and put it together real quick and show you guys what this looks like or what it's supposed to look like. So, lucky for you, you can speed on through it now. I gotta figure it out. So stay tuned. All right, so this is the finished product. This is the set that it comes with. I think I paid $70 for this. I think. Don't quote me on it. And it was on sale. I don't think it. Put it this way, if it went on sale, I would have got it. I would have got the other one that just had this one and these three, and I think it came with these. But I like these because even if I don't use these for desserts, for dessert displays, I can use these as like counter holders for centerpieces, or I can find something to do with these. So it comes with, these are supposed to be cake stands. I'm sure you can put like candy apples, your treats, your the cake pops. I'm sure you can put all of that on the display. And then, I don't know what this is, but that comes with the set. This is, I think, a cupcake stand that comes with the set. This is something that I would probably pull out like for a banquet event or an adult birthday party if they have cupcakes, or even a wedding. depending on, because I've been to weddings where they have cupcakes for guests, so they don't have to cut the cake and just have a small cake for the bride and groom. If I eyeball this and just look at it, to me, I think it's pretty. I think it's a pretty good set. Granted, a few of these pieces or corners did come bent out of shape because the corners do have a little bit of give in them. So it ain't, I mean, just as simple as popping it back in place or bending it back in shape. These can be to display candy apples or, I mean, anything. It's universal. I think it was a great investment and a great deal. It's pretty heavy duty. I'm excited about it. I don't think if I had it outside for an outdoor event, it would blow over. If it does look kind of warped or crooked, the material or the material that it's made out of, I probably could, kind of fit it in shape. But, so far I'm pleased with it. I have no complaints. So that's my first item that I unboxed. I'm gonna keep that box right there. So I can use it for trash. I'll do this one last, since that's gonna take up more room. So let me move this to the side. Sorry, y'all. I literally just said I'm gonna turn the camera and unbox the stuff. Trying to be consistent with my content. So I'm excited about this because I got some stuff coming up that I definitely could use that for. So this is my next item. I'm not gonna do that box right there. As you can see it on camera, it's a smaller Amazon box because I know what it is. It's round tablecloths for the event I have coming up. They're white, and the only reason I haven't moved them out of here yet is because I don't want to forget to take them to get them pressed. Because when they come, some tablecloths I can get away with having those package lines in them because I'll put charges on them or I'll put runners across them. And by the time I fool around with them long enough, the wrinkles will fall out of them. But I don't trust the round was enough to let it do that. So that's why I'm real excited about this one. That's a picture, I already gave it away. Da 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 da. This is my boxwood hedge, and I'll try to insert pictures, maybe, of what I got. These are the instructions. I'm not finna put it together right now, because y'all gonna see it when I do my next event, setting up outdoors. I almost want to put, and I'm not gonna pull out all of them, but I seen, that's another YouTube channel I follow who does, and she does balloons and backdrops and events and stuff. She's done a couple of setups for, I think, like brunches and whatnot. It's Sharp Designs by Lakeisha. If I can, I'll try to link her, but she does the boxwood hedge backdrops too. And she took and put a piece of felt behind it so that when she sets it up outside, it doesn't show or it doesn't become transparent. And I want to do that, but this is my first time working with this, and I don't want to put the cart before the horse. So it comes in these, I think you get 12 of them, right? Yeah, you get 12 of these, and they're 20 by 20. So if my calculations are correct, that should give me a width of between 4 and 5 feet going across, and it should give me, because I'm going to do 3 across, so whatever 3 times 20 inches is, I'm not a mathematician, and then I'm going to do 6 going down. 4 down, sorry. That's 12. And it should give me about 6 feet. And I'm 6'2", so I think that'll be perfect. Even if I can stand in front of it. Still be covered up by it. But I'm excited about this. I think I paid $100 and some change for this. I'm finding out that there are vendors who have this stuff for cheaper. Y'all, I just really started going into this stuff like full time. So it's a lot of learning that I'm doing, and a lot of people that have already been doing this and getting their feet wet that I'm connected to or come across already have done this. So they've been telling me about vendors and all of that good stuff. So maybe I can find me a good vendor to where if somebody wants a box with a head covering the whole wall, I can do it. But I plan on putting this for my pipe and drape stands. And it's so ridiculous how much the pipe and drape stands are went up. You used to could get them for $135 from what I saw. And now you look at me. And now I think they're like $200, $250. So when I catch them on sale, I try to go ahead and just get them. Maybe I can have them, because I want to be able to wrap up a room like for weddings, and if the room is ugly, like it's a green color, or like you'll see probably before you'll see the video I posted prior to this. I'll link it. The building had burgundy carpet, and it had burgundy carpet, and it had white or cream walls with burgundy paintings on it, and you see pictures on the wall. So when I work in buildings like that, if I do my events, I want to be able to cover the room up, maybe put some white drapes up on my pipe and drape kits, and wrap the room up. And if I can do that, then I think it'll be better on the eyes. Because people are having events all kinds of places. All right, not gonna ramble too much. Not gonna make this video very long. Just a quick unbox with me, and we're gonna go about our business. This is the last thing I have. I'm kind of nervous about this one because this is not the one I wanted at all. It's not the color. It's not the one I wanted. It's not none of that. But I went ahead and got it because every one of them I see that I do want, I let them sit in my cart on my list at Amazon, and then they sell out of them. And plus, I think this is a good neutral color. It's not a neutral color. It's white. I don't think white is a neutral color. See, now I'm getting it. Because it's a box in a box for one. This is... I got my address on it. My balloon ring. I got a bag I'm gonna put it in since I can't. Oh, I'm nervous about this one. Because it don't look no ways compared to the one somebody let me use or what I've seen. I'm gonna set it up on camera. How about this? Gonna kill them nerves because I gotta do some balloons on this the beginning of next month before I go on vacation. I'm so excited. I might vlog on vacation. Do y'all want to see that? I live in North Carolina, and though some of y'all might not agree, I just decided to go ahead and time lapse this part, y'all, because I ramble so much and I really struggle. I really struggle setting up this balloon ring, but you'll see the finished product in just a second. So I just let it play for me here and then show you guys what it looks like. Did I look? It's pretty sturdy. Well, it's a balloon ring for sure. See if I can let y'all see. All right. Sorry, y'all, I'm out of breath. This is what we got. I thought it wasn't gonna let me put it up, but my ceilings are 8 feet, and this is 7 point something feet. So until I put my balloons on it and all of that good stuff, I really want to know if it was worth the purchase. But since it didn't have any reviews, I'm gonna probably wait till I do the event at the beginning of August, write my review. Take my picture and write my review. But there you have it. If you're not already a subscriber, before you leave this video, I want you to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. Make sure you have your notifications turned down so you don't miss any of my videos, foolishness, whatever you want to call it. Make sure you like this video, whether it was something funny I said, whether it was the product I got, whether it was my personality, whatever it is. Make sure you like this video so you can get more content like this on your feed. What else? Yeah, I'm glad you guys are here. Some more interesting stuff coming, some more DIYs, some more events coming up. So y'all stay tuned. Thank you again for watching my channel, and see y'all in the next video.